So let me start, Pranav, and let me tell you the history of C. History of C, if you'll concentrate, history will start with some other languages. C is not the language which started with from the beginning. So there was one language called Algol. Algol. I'm writing everything on the board, and today, Pranav, sit with your copy and maintain one C language program notebook so that we can have it and we can refer it afterwards also. So just be ready with one of your notebook and just maintain it throughout, hai na? So today, as we are going to start this C language, tell me, Pranav, you are not audible.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Nothing.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Anish, you joined, no? Anish, today we are just going to discuss about the history of C that I have given you in my previous lecture. Have you explored, Anish? Have you explored that? You explored, okay.
Ma'am, can I write this in book?
Yes, you should write. Pranav, this is very helpful. Today's lecture is something that we are going to maintain notes from today's lecture. And these notes will be very helpful even for your future, Pranav. So maintain your notes along with me. So the first feature of C language is a structured language. Anish, you must have heard of these terms. Structured, high-level language. High-level languages, they are actually the languages are divided in two parts, low-level languages and high-level languages. So C is among the high-level language. Similarly,
Yes.
it is machine-independent language. This gives it a very the advantage over the rest of the languages. So it is machine-independent. Machine-independent का ये मतलब हुआ if you make a C code in any of the machines and you just get the code in your pen drive and use it in any other machine, that code will run. Am I clear, Anish?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, now my question is, क्या आप guess कर सकते हो या फिर अनिश आपने study किया है तो can you guess कि ये history start कहाँ से हुई होगी? हमारा ये पूरा process programming का कब से start हुआ होगा? What was the year in which it all started up? The high level language.
मैंने नोट्स बनाए थे कुछ उसमें विकिपीडिया में बता रहा था कि वो 1972 से स्टार्ट हुआ है
1972. Okay, I am going even before that. I am starting my programming concepts from 1960s. So let me tell you, from 1960s, one of the language was adopted and the name of the language was, first of all, I will write the year, then I will name the language and then something associated with the language. So Pranav, if you are writing something, make 3 columns. The first one is the year in which it is developed. The name of the language was Algol. This was the name of the language.
The language in
1960s, the first language which was the modern language developed was Algol. Am I clear? And as Anish said, Algol was our first computer language. The first computer language was used in 1960s and the name was Algol. So in short, you can call it block structured programming. It was a block structured programming. Algol kya tha? It was a simple set of codes which was developed in 1960s. So if it is clear, let us go to the next language which was developed after Algol. Algol के बाद जो develop हुआ वो 1967 में. Then the people were very fast in developing the languages. So in 1967, they developed BCPL, the language BCPL, and the full form is Basic Combined Programming Language. Basic Combined Programming Language, which was developed in 1967.
and 1 minute.
Yes, Anish, मैं आपके point पे आऊँगी. आपने
फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज ALGOL था
no full forms. Algol was the name of the language, which was a block programmed language and developed in 1960s, and it was
The form of BCPL.
write down basic. Anish, you tell what is C? Basic.
Basic.
Combined. Write down combined. Basic combined PL is simple. PL Anish बताएगा. PL का full form Anish will tell.
Programming language.
Write down Pranav. Correct. BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, was my second language which was developed back in the year 1967. So basically it was BCPL was used for writing system softwares. So itna to ho gaya. Now as Anish had read somewhere that in 1970s C was developed. So that was the right concept, Anish. अब मैं बताती हूँ. पहले Algol आया 1960 में, then BCPL आया, and then what happened around 1970. अच्छा, C के पहले क्या आना चाहिए? What should be the language name? If it, yes, what should be the name of the language?
B.
Anish, again, I'm not able to listen.
B.
B, very good. B. Pranav, C के पहले क्या आता है? B.
E.
है ना? तो C के पहले it was B language. The one who the programmers and the inventors who have developed it at Bell Laboratories, they have named it B languages. So 1970s में the language which was developed by B by Dennis Ritchie. उसने क्या किया? B तो develop किया 1970 में, but it was compatible with उस समय what was the system that we were using? Jैसे now we have various operating systems available with us. Anish, that days 1970s में what was the system?
Windows 1.
Tell me Pranav. Very good. Tell me, at least you can try.
Ma'am, 1 I think so.
It was Unix operating system. उस समय जो चलता था ना, उसका नाम ये बहुत famous है, Unix operating system. ठीक है?
Yes,
So that was the name of the system which we were using in 1970. तो चलो B language use हुई और Unix operating system पे we were using B languages. Am I clear now? Till now?
yes ma'am.
Now, during the same year, after B was developed, they have developed one more language, and that language was C. So in 1972 around, write down, around 1972, they have released a new programming language which has changed the life of the programmers. Even today, we are using it in various platforms, and that is C language. And they called it traditional C. Traditional C language. Traditional C. Okay. Traditional C programming language. So these were the things which were developed in different years. तो प्रणव आप इसको कैसे लिख सकते हो? Flow chart के form में you can write down Algol, BCPL, Unix, Traditional C. Then came various versions of C. फिर क्या होने लगा? जो programmer programming करता था, they have started modifying C language. तो किसी ने K and C were the inventors and the users who were very famous in writing. They have written books on C. तो बाद में C को बोला जाने लगा K and yes, no?
Nothing ma'am.
Actually, what happened then? Carnegie and Ritchie, they have started writing books on C language. So they called it K and R C. So the new language was K and R C. इसके बाद आया.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
28. In 1978, the new version of C started, that is K and R C. इस language को invent कर दिया, ठीक है? So what was the problem कि जो भी इसको use करने लगा, they have started modifying it. उसके बाद in 1989, the main C, that is ANSI C, started to be followed by Pranav. Am I clear?
Yes ma'am.
Now you tell me what is the full form of ANSI. That day you have asked and I have given you the full form. Now tell me what is ANSI. Yaad hai, in your first lecture you have asked me why ma'am, why the name of the book is ANSI C. Then I have told you the full form of ANSI. Now today I just want the full form so that I can tell you in 1989 ANSI. Yaad hai Pranav?
No ma'am.
Write down American national American.
Nationals.
Very good.
S.
American National Standard Institute. So what they have decided, American National Standard Institute, they have decided that nobody else can modify C. C will follow some of the standard rules and none of the programmer can modify it. क्या होता था कि जो भी modify करता था तो अपना नाम उसमें लगा लेता था. So those were creating a kind of problems with the programmer system. तो हर दिन अगर C language change होगी तो आप और मैं जैसे यूज कर रहे हैं तो किसी ने कोई इन्वेंटर किसी बुक राइटर ने उसका नाम चेंज कर दिया तो वी विल फेस सम डिफिकल्टीज, राइट प्रणव?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अमेरिकन नेशनल स्टैंडर्ड इंस्टीट्यूट ने क्या कहा कि यू कैन नॉट चेंज सी लैंग्वेज एंड सी लैंग्वेज विल फॉलो सम बेसिक नॉर्म्स एंड बेसिक रूल्स एंड दैट कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड बाय एनीवन. Am I clear? So this committee, am I clear, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
So Pranav, this technical committee decided the standards for C. You can write down ANSI mein they have started the standards for C language. Standards for C. They have framed a standard. Nobody now can play with C language. Understood? So this is the end of the story. Now ANSI C jab se aaya, so everybody has to follow ANSI C language. So why now you understood your questions parameter उस दिन जो आपने पूछा था अच्छे से समझ में आ गया what is the meaning and why it is called ANSI C? ठीक है. So if this is clear, Pranav, this is again very important for each and every programmer to know कि हम जो language पढ़ रहे हैं उसका origin कहाँ से हुआ है. When somebody will ask you the origin of C, you should know it. Pranav, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है अनिश. ओके प्रणव, इसमें क्या होता है कि सी के बाद देयर इज वन मोर लैंग्वेज व्हिच इज नाउ यूज्ड इज प्लस. सी के बाद हाँ C++ भी आया है and that is also one of the language which is associated with C only. So if this
Ma'am, I have to ask that C++ is modified from C only, no?
it is developed from C, not modified. It actually C has its own place in the programmer's dictionary. And C++ is the advanced version of C. So advanced version means it has a different programming syntax, different programming style. Yes, Pranav, tell me.
In which year this C++ came?
See, C++ came after 1999. 1999. After 1999, C++ came. And even till now, we are using C along with C++. Because up to 1999, only C was there. No one needed anything else because many versions of C were there. So they were using it, and now we are using both of them. The language of C. I am asking about the topic that I have given you to explore. The another topic was importance of C.
Importance of C. Yes,
understood? याद आया importance of C? Have you explored this topic?
No, ma'am. I was not able to explore.
Okay, no problem. I will tell you some points. You please write down those points because those are the points which are going to tell you why C is important. Why we are studying C? सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ना कि हम C पढ़ क्यों रहे हैं? क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? Because the first point is it is efficient and fast. It is efficient and it is fast. It, as I told you, it is machine independent and Pranav machine independent है तो you can write one word. क्या कहते हैं machine independent को one word? मशीन इंडिपेंडेंट को प्रणव बोला जाता है पोर्टेबल. पोर्टेबल मतलब इस मशीन से उठा के यू कैन चेंज इट टू एनी अदर, यू कैन यूज एनी अदर मशीन. यस, पोर्टेबल. राइट डाउन, इट्स अ पोर्टेबल लैंग्वेज. सेकंड पॉइंट, पोर्टेबल.
Ma'am, what was the first point?
First point was it was efficient. It is efficient and fast.
Second point.
Highly portable. Second point, highly portable.
Yes, ma'am.
Third point, structured programming. I'm going to show you the structured programming. You write down structured programming. And last one, it is a high level language, high level computer language, high level computer language. अब प्रणव, your task is, I will give you only small topics, तो ये आपको एक बार just review कर लेना है प्रणव. You just have to review this topic, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you just review it, and next point, Pranav, I am going to tell you is, if this is clear, Pranav, we can start with the base, and now today I am going to tell you the specific names for each and every line of the programs that we have written that day in programming. आपको याद है Pranav, वो programming वाला जो page है, open that page of your notebook. That day you have written first program of C. Let me show you here. I am going to show you.
Typing the message, simple arithmetic operation, designing of calculator, area, designing of area volume, designing unit converter.
Yes, और आपको वो याद है प्रणव, if you can remember the code, programming code जो हमने लिखा था, if you can remember, you can. हाँ, I am giving you the control प्रणव, मैं आपको mouse control दे रही हूँ. Now today's your job is to, what you will do, you will write the program, first program without referring your notebook. आपको क्या करना है, I am giving you the control, and उसके बाद आपको केवल वो program, first program जो मैंने आपको सिखाया था, वो लिखना है without referring your notebook. And yes, can you control my screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm giving you the control option. Wait, share. Security. Allow participants to share screen, chat, rename themselves and not. Okay. Yes, remote control access. Okay, I am giving it to Pranav. Yes, given. Pranav, now you can control my screen. Write down. हाँ, देखो आप control कर रहे हो. Start writing that down. Very good. कहीं भी लिख दो. Anywhere in this, हाँ, you can write. First program without referring.
Ma'am, it is not being written.
Please select any color of the text. You select. हाँ. Good. Pranav, it is right. You are writing now.
Ma'am, it is not coming.
Coming. Programming आ रहा है. You write. It's coming. See, I can read. You are writing C P R.
Ma'am, it is stopping.
No problem. Maybe due to the network connectivity, but it will come. No problem. You have written program. It is coming. C P R O. I can see. Okay. You write at your pace. You don't worry about the printing. It will be printed. Don't worry. You start writing at your pace. See, it is coming on the board.
No, but it is again and again stopping.
See, Pranav, you just have to write whatever you want to write, and don't worry for the alphabets that you will write will be printed. Maybe it will be causing some delays. आपके वजह से वहाँ पे जो network connectivity होगी उस वजह से maybe you will be experiencing some delays, but it will be printed. Don't worry. You continue your work. It will be printed on the whiteboard. देखो, I can read C program. PROGRAM. Don't worry about this. You just write at your pace. आप अपने तरीके से लिखो और वो आ ही जाएगा. देखो आ गया, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. See, on the board I can see everything. C, programming. I want you to write this so that you will be able to replicate the same code whenever we are going to start tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to start Turbo C++. So in that platform, you will be writing your own programs. Okay?
Language.
No problem. You give enter, it will come down. Don't worry. You give enter, Pranav. No need to drag it. हाँ, आप एंटर करोगे ना अपने आप वो नीचे आ जाएगा. ड्रैग करने की जरूरत नहीं है. गुड. Pranav, see, I am giving you one idea. You start using Typing Tutor. Typing Tutor is very good app for improving your typing skills.
I have a Typing Master app.
That will do. Even that will do. Typing Master is same. You are using it?
Ma'am, I am not using because my exams are coming. That's why.
Achha, when is your exams?
Ma'am, starting from Monday. Next.
Okay. Okay. So next week will be your exam, complete week?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll discuss the things. Write down. I'm going to explain you this.
Ma'am, it is not coming. Ma'am, can you write? I will say that.
Very good. Tell me. Chalo, no problem. I'm going to control my screen now. Stopping your control, you can sit. Just a minute. I'm taking your control, hai na, so that I can write.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Tell me what you want to write. Tell me, I will write first. Tell me.
Arithmetic operations. Simple.
No, I don't want that. I want, Pranav, I want the programming. First program we have written that day. First program hash include. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
That I want.
STDIO.
Yes, this is what I want. Then.
And what we are going to do then?
Yes, this is what I wanted. I thought you were about to write this.
No, I can't write on it.
Abhi dekho.
Printf.
Then remember, if you remember, what you want to print?
How are you?
Okay.
How are you?
Okay.
Then, ma'am, we have to close this and column, semicolon.
Very good, very good. Chalo, आज actually what was my purpose of giving you this task of writing, Pranav? Because I wanted to tell you some technical terms. अभी ये चीज आपके पास लिखी हुई है? Have you written something there in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now today with me, now you will write down what is the meaning of each and every sentence and the technical terms associated with it. Because in future, Pranav, I will not tell you ki write main. I will tell you ki write the function name. So this is called, let me use another color pen so that you can, please Pranav, take another color pen for marking the name, the technical name of the each and every line of the program. So this is called function name. Main को क्या कहते हैं? We call it function name.
Main.
हाँ, अगर main मुझे लिखना है तो next time Pranav, I will tell you, write down the function name. The main is actually the name of the function. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Write down name of the function.
So it is considering the function of brackets.
Yes, so very good. Every function in C will be enclosed with these kind of simple brackets.
Right, main is equals to function name.
ऐसे आप एक जगह है ना एरो करके लिख लो. मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ. This way you will write. देखो मेन क्या है, और यूज अनदर कलर्ड पेन, इस तरह से लिखो, मेन इज अ फंक्शन नेम. आई एम राइटिंग द वे इट शुड बी रिटन. आई एम राइटिंग द वे. व्हाट इज दिस एंड व्हाट इज दिस एंड व्हाट इज दिस? यू टेल मी. चलो 3 arrows मैंने बनाए. You also make the same way that I am telling you. Right in the same way. This is the start of the program. Yes, that is starting of the program. Right?
Ma'am, just 1 minute. Function name. Start of the program.
This is end of the program.
And
This is-
semicolon is end of sentence.
Yes. I'm telling you that this is end of the program. Curly bracket start हो रहे हैं, that is the starting of the program, and the closing curly bracket includes the end of the program. Written these two statements.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, ma'am. Start of the program writing.
Okay, no problem. You write it down.
Start of. Ma'am, can I write short form? I don't have space to write program.
Start of the program, you can write short form, whatever, but you should understand whenever you will refer this. In future, you should understand.
Yes, ma'am, written.
If you have written Pranav, then start and end you have written. But now you tell me, what is this printf? How are you? This is called the statement of the program. So this you can write program statement.
Ma'am, before every single statement we have to write no printf.
Whenever you want to print anything on the screen, you will write printf. Program statement. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Program statement.
Okay, Pranav. If you have done it, then it's okay. Function name you have written, start of the program. This is program statement, end of the program. So this comprises the total. It is called as the body of the program. ये complete क्या होता है? This is the body of the program. ठीक है? This is called the complete body of the program. That is format of simple C programming. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
as you know that main and these two simple bracket is the function name. So printf से भी आप बता सकते हो printf क्या होगा? Printf is actually it is also a function.
Function.
Yes. So हाँ, इसको कैसे लिखते हैं? Printf actually कैसे लिखा जाता है? ऐसे. This is the printf. So it is a printf function. But whenever you want to write anything, you have to follow this syntax, right? So function is also a print, is also a.
Ma'am, I want to ask that is this a function button in the F12?
No, these are the technical terms which we are going to use with C language. Whenever I will tell you ki write the main function, this I will tell you ki write the main function. Very good, Pranav, very good. So you will write the main function. Then I will tell you write the function printf. So these are the technical terms that you should use in your day-to-day programming language classes. Yes, very good. Opening and close bracket. So now you know that printf is the function. My question, listen to my question very carefully. Is this right? Is this right? Is it also a function?
No, ma'am.
Why no? Why no?
Ma'am, you can't write in capital.
Very good, Pranav. I expected this response from you. Very good. So you can't write in capital. Write down this. It's a case-sensitive language. C is the case-sensitive language. You cannot write in. So this is.
You only tell we can't write anything in capital.
Very good. Other than the numbers, you cannot change the case of the alphabets. So alphabets mein, if it is lowercase, you have to write lower.
What we cannot change?
That is called the case sensitive language. Case, हाँ, CASE, case sensitive language. It's a,
Can you tell anything other?
write down this. This is the case sensitive language. Case sensitive मतलब जहाँ पे capital आना है, it should be capital. जहाँ पे small आना है, it should be small. You cannot change the lower case to upper case or upper case to lower case. अच्छा, एक चीज रह गई है स्टेटमेंट. प्रणव पूरा समझ में आ गया, बट व्हाट इज दिस? यू हैव नॉट आस्क्ड कि मैम यू हैव टोल्ड मी ईच एंड एवरी स्टेटमेंट, बट व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ राइटिंग hash include stdio.h?
Hash include. I think so, ma'am. This triangles are brackets. Bracket we have to write and include. I think this is a programming term.
So again, it's a function which is going to tell you that we have to include. See, this H is for header file and this IO. आप ऐसे समझो प्रणव कि you have a dictionary. तो एक स्टैंडर्ड इनपुट आउटपुट की डिक्शनरी है. तो जब भी आप उसमें से कोई भी चीज यूज कर रहे हो, कोई भी टर्म यूज कर रहे हो उस डिक्शनरी से, तो ऊपर उसका हेडर फाइल लिखना जरूरी है. Whenever you are going to use any of the input or output, for example, अभी वो हम फ्यूचर में जब प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे तब आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा. बोलिए.
Nothing, ma'am. Nothing.
बट हमें ये बताना जरूरी है, programmer, as a programmer, we should tell our user कि which are the different header files we are using. Whenever we are going to use any, जैसे हम डिक्शनरी, आप ऐसे समझो मेरे पास एक डायरेक्टरी है. हेडर फाइल को एक डायरेक्टरी से इमेजिन करो कि आपके पास एक डायरेक्टरी है और उस डायरेक्टरी से आप जब भी कुछ यूज करते हैं तो उस डायरेक्टरी का एड्रेस आपको ऊपर बताना पड़ता है. फिर आपके पास दूसरी डायरेक्टरी है, उसमें से आपने कुछ यूज किया तो उसका एड्रेस आपको ऊपर बताना पड़ता है. Am I clear, प्रणव?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपने जब भी जो यूज किया है, जो भी डायरेक्टरीज यूज की हैं, वो सारी डायरेक्टरीज का इंफॉर्मेशन ऊपर होगा. तो राइट डाउन इट इज स्टैंडर्ड एसटीडी. एसटीडी का मतलब होता है स्टैंडर्ड, और आईओ दिख रहा है?
IO input output.
वेरी गुड. सो स्टैंडर्ड इनपुट आउटपुट हेडर फाइल डॉट एच जो है ना, that is your header file. Standard input output and include that header file. That is the provision, that is the point of writing. इतना मतलब we are writing this because we want to include input output file. ये सारी technical terms आज हमने करी हैं प्रणव, because now when we will use our programming in C, Turbo C++ use करेंगे तो we should know the technical terms.